Hi guys, let's talk about hip replacement, but there's new technology out there and 3D technology. And 3D technology allows us to make a hip that perfectly matches your bone and bony structure. You're born with a hip and it's a ball and socket joint that goes like this over time. But over time, when you start in any ball and socket joint, it wears out and starts deforming. And when it deforms, then it can throw off the anatomy and it's difficult to put the anatomy back. And so people who aren't trained in this have a difficult time putting it in the right way, and they have high rates of dislocations. It never feels quite right with all these guys. Now, we've done hip replacements for a long time, and we've been very successful, but there's still a few that aren't as perfect as we like. And new 3D technology makes it to match your anatomy and the hip the way it is that is now malformed all these years that you've been walking on. And we can put it back the way it was by matching your anatomy perfectly. And the results of this are far superior in terms of complications, range of motion, the biomechanics of it, and how it feels afterwards.